Hello everyone, for this tutorial video, I would like to talk about double integrals over regions that are not rectangular, and how to find specific values of them despite the vast variation in the shape. If we looked at a region like this, we know it cannot be divided into neat rectangles, so what we would do instead is say that x is bounded between the leftmost point and the rightmost point, and y is bounded between the bottom and top, and then compute the double integral using that. Before we look at specific examples of how to apply this kind of technique, I'd like to take a quick detour to convenient properties of double integrals. In particular, the double integral of a sum or difference is simply the sum or difference of the individual double integrals, which should not be too surprising because this was true for single integrals. We can also factor out a constant from a double integral. Again, for the same reason, we can factor a constant out of a single integral. And lastly, if a double integral can be split into two or more regions, then the double integral in total is simply an addition of these regions, which we had to use on occasion for single integrals as well. So if we are given this function bounded between specific x and y points, we would plug this into the iterated integral formula, compute the inner integral first, and then compute the outer integral after we simplify our computation, and we get this result as our final answer. However, many times, you will not be given x and y restrictions off the bat, and you will have to figure it out from what the problem looks like. For example, this integral over the region bounded between the top and bottom does not specify where the x points are, but we can see where the x points are for ourselves, and this is where the two functions meet. So we plug in these limit points for the integral with respect to x, and then do the iterated integral as usual. Now that we've explained how double integrals can be used for non-rectangular regions, we can discuss how double integrals work for polar coordinates next. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.